This is the PixysOS based on Android Pie on the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and this ROM is of the 6th October 2018 build. And let me just show you the about section now. Here is the settings panel, and as you can see the settings panel is colorful. Let's go to system, about phone and Android version. Over here as you can see we have the PixysOS logo on top and Android version is 9 as you can see. Let's go back, and here we have the PixysOS version. The security patch is of October 5th 2018, and here as you can see the stock kernel version, and this is based on the pre-release 2. Let's go back, and even here it shows the PixysOS version. Let's go back, and in advanced we do not get a camera to API enabler. If you want to enable camera to API on this ROM, you need to install Magisk first, then you just need to flash the camera to API module if you want to use Google camera portrait mode and stuff. And let me go back again. Over here you won't see a separate customizations panel like any other ROM. Over here it's like inside each settings. Let me just show you. Over here you will get this button setting as you can see. Let's go inside it. Over here as you can see we have the volume rocker customizations, volume control playback. Let's go back. From here you can enable this navigation bar. As you can see we have the clear all button option, but it doesn't show anywhere because it's Android Pie. Let's go back. Here we have the nav bar layout stuff. Let's go back. Inside power menu we do get the advanced reboot option. As you can see over here we have the advanced reboot option. Again let's go back. Inside notifications we do have the battery charging light stuff like the notification LED stuff. Let's go back. Lock screen shortcuts are here. Status bar items we have the headset icon and stuff from here, but there is no VoLTE icon. But VoLTE does work super fine, you don't have any issues regarding VoLTE. We have the traffic indicator as you can see, but I use the internet speed meter app so I disabled it. Let me just go back and let's go to maybe security. From here you will see that there is face auto unlock option. So for face auto unlock you just need to enable this face auto unlock toggle, and you just need to enable the trusted face option inside smart lock, and then your face unlock will be working super fine. Now let's go into display settings, and over here as you can see we have a lot of customizations here, and here we have the lock screen charging info. We have the double tap to sleep on the status bar option. We have the toast app icon over here, and we do have double tap to wake option over here in this ROM if you want to use that. Accidental touch option is present there, and you can change the UI style to light, dark and black. And accent colors, as you can see we have a lot of accent colors, and you don't see it on most Pi ROMs, but it's present on this ROM, so that's a good thing. So a lot of accent colors are there. We do have some dashboard customizations and stuff. Night light is working super fine. Let me just show you. As you can see it turns the display into yellow, so night light just works super fine. And here is the RAM management of this ROM and app open up speeds. App open up speeds are fast enough, and mostly all of the apps you open stays in memory even in the end of the day, so you won't be having any issues regarding RAM management or day-to-day usage while opening multiple apps. And the whole UI runs buttery smooth, no issues at all. This thing is handling Android Pie on the Redmi Note 5 Pro pretty good. Gotta give A+ for that. Here is the fingerprint scanner speed of this ROM. As you can see it's super fast and unlocks the screen right away, so the fingerprint scanner is performing almost instantaneously. But there is a bug. Like whenever you unlock the device and you tap the fingerprint scanner like this when it's unlocked, as you can see it does this like touch kind of thing If you tap and hold it, it does a touch. And like, do you see the bottom? Here it shows some kind of like a blank area where you can tap. So this is again a bug, and this one is a bug too. If I tap over here right now, if I tap on the fingerprint scanner, it will open this preference and it will like toggle this top one, and scrolling on this fingerprint scanner does not work anything, but this is simply a bug which is toggling. As you can see, it's just toggling the calendar events just by tapping on it. So yeah, pretty much this is a bug. And in terms of the stock launcher, we have a basic pixel launcher. If you pull down like this, it won't like give you the quick settings panel. It won't give you the access to the quick settings panel, but you have to like pull it from the top like this for this launcher. So that's a downside, but yeah, I'm just showing you that this is the stock launcher present in this ROM. And we have this like Google Now panel to the left, and tap to hold functionality works super fine, and doing this will get you to the recents panel, and doing it all the way to the top will get you to the app drawer. And the ROM is super smooth. I have been using it like for a couple of days now, and I gotta say the ROM is super smooth for daily driving. So I don't have any complaints except for this thing. Let me just show you. If you like try to go to the battery settings, let me just do that. As you can see, it just forced up itself. So let's go to settings, let's go to battery, and as you can see, 4 stops. I mean, this is related to some Google sources, and this is happening in most Pi ROMs in most devices. So this is not regarding the ROM build or like the device stuff, so you don't have to worry about it as of now. But yeah, you can't see the battery percentage and stuff. So that is that. Let me go into sounds now, and let's go advanced. Here you will get the in-call vibration options. As you can see, we have the vibrate on connect option over here. Let's go back, and we have the digital well-being option over here, and you can check like which apps did you use like for your whole usage. So yeah, and here is the example of Google Pay or any other banking apps works super fine, as you can see, even without flashing Magisk. But I did flash Magisk on this, and I did test a Google camera, and yeah, Google camera does work super fine. You won't have any issues. So I just clicked this picture with the Google camera, which is like, it does look super dope. So yeah, Google camera just works super fine. So that is all I had to say. And gaming performance and stuff is just normal like any other ROM. So you can definitely play PUBG in HD, you won't have any issues. And it even does not heat much, like it won't go above like 38 or 40 degrees Celsius maybe. Gaming performance is fine enough for daily driving, and the battery life is almost around like 7 to 8 hours of screen on time you will get. So pretty much a whole day's usage. So I think you won't have any issues regarding the battery life. The ROM is super smooth and everything is like working super fine. If you want like a little bit different custom ROM, which is like not too much customizable but still has some customizations in it, so you can definitely flash it. And we do get the double tap to sleep and stuff, like this kind of customizations are there, though there is no like status bar swiping for brightness adjustment, but this is totally livable. And inside hotspot we do get this 5 GHz band, so everything is present, and you can like switch between apps just like this, as you can see. So everything is there of Android Pie on this ROM, so you can definitely flash it if you want to, or you can check out my other videos from the channel down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, because I'll do many more awesome custom ROM videos like this on the Redmi Note 5 Pro and as well as on the Redmi Note 3 in the future. So please subscribe if you have not yet. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Tito from KTN Tech signing off for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.